Class, and today we're going to be learning about prime factorization. Now, before we get into that, I also want you to know that we will also be learning how to do one way to perform prime factorization. The way we're going to learn is by doing a factor tree. Now, first we're going to start with step one. They need to make two branches to represent two factors that are the product of those numbers. Step 2. For each number that branches out, determine if it's prime or composite. Step 3. In step 3, what we do is, again, like I said, if it's prime, you stop. So in other words, step 4 is you will circle all the prime numbers. So once you stop at the point that you see, you'll start circling all those prime numbers. Once you circle all those numbers, you can then multiply it straight out. 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. And that will give you your product, which is 40 in this case. Alright, is there anything else you need to do? Right, circle all your primes. Now that you've circled all your primes, the last step is to multiply each of those circled primes. Very good, Edwin. That was real good. Thank you. Now, Lisa, do you think there's another way we could do this same step if we found another pair of factors? So even if it's, 6 times 2 or 4 times 3, there is no right or wrong way. You just need to find the only prime factors to that number, because those are the only combination of prime factors. This is known as upside down division. This is another way to learn how to do what you just did right now. We have the number 27. What goes into 27? Right? 3 times 9. So let's say I'm working with 3. Right? I know 3 times 9 gives me 27. Now, I continue down. What goes into 9? Right. So now 3 times 3. And then what I would do is I'd just circle the primes. And this one too, because it just so happens that 2 is a 3. So. Then you do the same thing as you did up above. You would write 3 times 3 times 3. And of course this will equal 27. Well, I think that about wraps things up. I'm so glad that you guys came today, and I hope that this will learn and prepare you for other future works of prime factorization.